No, man, but Mulefe doesn't deserve what is happening to. In fact, there's no guy in the world who deserves going through this. So, ladies and gentlemen, Mulefe recently found out that Riasenzo is not his son, and that is what I want us to talk about here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Imagine doing a DNA test of your son and finding out that he's not yours. I think that is crazy. I don't think that there's any man in the world who deserves to feel that pain. I think that is stressful, painful. I can't even imagine it. So that is what Mulefe encountered on the recent episode of The House of Sweet. He found out that Riasenzo is not his son, and obviously if he's not his son, that means he's Simon's son. So what happened is that Simon came out of the blue. He told Dorothea Mulefe that he has a strong gut of feeling that Riasenzo might be his son. He persisted. Dorothea told him that Mulefe is Riasenzo's father and not him. But Simon told everyone who said, akakholelwa nale nto leyo. Ukholelwa ukuthi Riasenzo ingane yakhe and ingane yakhe ayi-1. Akusingane kaMlife. Well, like any guy, nami ngizoba hesitant if it was me. So Mulefe was hesitant and had suspicions that Riasenzo might really be Simon's son. So he teamed up with Simon. They worked together. They went and did a DNA test. And after a very long time of waiting, the DNA test came back and they were negative towards Mulefe and positive towards Simon, obviously. Hey, now my guy is not coping. He's really not well. Imagine a guy crying like this. A whole Mulefe crying even. No, man, I really think Mulefe doesn't deserve this. So, guys, comment in the comment section. Share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.